is the introduction video for Curtain and Drapery Grommets hand tools. This is the cutting board and this is the cutter. And these are the lower and upper dies. Here are number 12 curtain grommets. First, place the cutting board over the table. Then, put the cutting material over the cutting board. Now, place the cutter on the material and hammer it. It will make a perfect hole for the eyelet. In the next step, place the grommet in the lower satin die and fix the fabric between the grommet and the washer. Now hammer the upper satin die. The eyelet is fastened to the fabric.